Hi guys, Sandy here again, getting ready to bring you another video. First of all, I have a lot of hair going on, and in the other videos it was short. I'm wearing some hair extensions. I had an audition this afternoon, but this video is super important, so I wanted to be sure that I took the time to get this thing done for you as soon as possible. So today we're gonna talk about workSMART and time tracking in particular, because as you know, we're not using e-scheduling. E-scheduling has gone bye-bye. So yeah, workSMART is fabulous. I am in love with it. I mean, my time tracking has completely changed since we rolled out the app in particular. I'm a big app user. I don't use it a lot on the computer, but I do know how to navigate it, and I know a lot of you guys do use the computer. So today I'm going to show you how to make the most of your time tracking using the app and then using online as well. And I've got a few pictures that I will share with you. The main thing is that we shouldn't be spending any time tracking time. Like, it's something that, especially with smartphones, we can be doing while it's going on. So if I'm getting ready to leave, you know, and I'm gonna be logging some travel time, I can just type in the information when I leave and then hit now, and then it's gonna give me the start time, and then when I get to my location, I can just hit now again, and it's gonna do the time, and then I can save it and then submit it right then and there. So we shouldn't be spending a whole lot of time anymore just sitting down and logging our hours, because we can be doing it as we go along, which is way more efficient. So let's start with the app. Once you've logged in, this is the home screen, also referred to as the dashboard. It'll give you access to your availability, your current schedule, and your timesheets. So let's start there. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see a plus sign. If you tap it, it'll take you to the screen where you can start logging your time. Just like in e-scheduling, each item has to be tracked individually with its own pay code and location number. There's also a spot for you to track the date. Some really cool things to know about workSMART: none of the time codes have changed, so you can either search for them by number, or you can just scroll through the list till you find the one you're looking for. The locations are also predictive, so if you spend a lot of time at a certain location, the workSMART app is going to remember the location and make it easy for you to find that. Once you've put in the pay code, location, and date, you're ready to track the actual time. This is the screen where you log your time. As you'll see, the activity code box is grayed out. This will only be available to select for certain types of time, like training. The location is wherever you worked, whether that was at home, at a store, or if you went to the bank, a zip code. There are two ways to track your time. You can either do it manually and type it in yourself, or you can take advantage of the Now feature. Whenever you start a task, just hit Now and it'll log the start time. When you're done with your task, you can come back, reselect the item, and hit Now again to get your end time. Pretty cool, huh? When you're done with the timesheet, just tap Save at the bottom. And voila, your time has been tracked. If you have more time to track, you can hit that plus sign at the top and start over to add more time. If you're ready to send it off, all you have to do is tap Submit at the bottom, and you are done tracking your time in the workSMART app. All right, so if we're gonna track some time on workSMART, this is what it looks like. So we're here on the main screen. So I've already logged in, as you can tell up here in the corner. And so it's gonna come to this calendar page, but what you really want is up here where it says ESSS. So if you look there, it gives you a bunch of different things similar to what you would have seen in the app. So if we went to the dashboard, this is just the desktop view of what you see in the app. So it's that same dashboard. So like, this is my upcoming schedule for the next, you know, actually this looks like this week's, and then if I scroll down, there's the, you know, here we are on Friday, there's my click to chat shift today and a click to chat shift tomorrow. So all of the same stuff is in here if you go to the dashboard. But what we really want up here in the corner, if we're going to track some time, is timesheets. So this morning I read through the staff emails and did a little bit of work before I came in. So I've already logged some time, which you saw in the app. But if I'm going to add additional time today, so I would come over here and I would click New. And then up here, I'm gonna come up to the pay codes. So I'm gonna make a trip to the bank. So like we'll just say, because I know I'm gonna go over there. So I'm gonna click travel time, and then I'm gonna select the location. So it's in support of the Pasadena store. Still today's date, my start position, I am at location. And we're gonna go ahead and select 2522, and I'm going to a zip code. So there's that, and I know what it is, so it's that guy. And it's only a mile away, so I'm just gonna type in 1. And then for start time, I can either click now, if I'm going to now, or if this is later on here, I can cross that off. And it sometimes will give you this if you know like it's an even number, but in actuality you can just type in whatever time it is. So typically I'm at the bank around 10:50. I'll just change this later when I know what time I actually leave. So I type in 10:50, and then if it only takes me 5 minutes to get over there, I can just type in 10:55, which it did not do. 10:55, enter. We'll do it, click away. Okay, so then there is the time right there. And then I would just come over here and click save. Or if I'm gonna add more time, if I'm gonna add my actual time at the bank, I would just come over here and click save and new. But for now, we're just gonna save it. I'm gonna come back out here, and so then there it is. So as you can tell with this, we don't need to spend tons of time tracking time anymore. It's not like when we had e-scheduling and you had to sit down for an hour and log all of your timesheets. You can be doing this as you go. It's very, very easy, and again, it's very app friendly as well if you get on the mobile app. So be sure to take advantage of the fact that this has been made quite a bit simpler for us moving forward, and that we shouldn't be spending a ton of time tracking our time anymore. We should just be able to take what workSMART has given us and use it to our advantage. So good luck with all of your time tracking goals, and if you have additional questions, definitely let us know and we'll be able to answer those for you in upcoming videos. So have a good one.